This 2025 Winnebago Minnie 2529RG is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 29 feet 6 inches in length and features a Cobalt interior, sleeps 6, LP detector, oven, smoke detector, leveling jacks, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, stovetop burner, water heater, spare tire kit, carbon monoxide detector, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Winnebago Minnie 2529RG is 6,662 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.